Hello, and welcome to episode 1 of QuickSwift. My name is Jonathan Daly, and today we're going to talk about outlet collections. So we have a single view iOS application with 3 text fields, and we want to fill these text fields with some sort of data when our view loads. So we can start to do this by doing Control, left click, and drag from our text field into our view controller. When we let go, we can create an outlet. We'll call it text field 1. And click Connect. Though this is actually not the best way to do this. The problem comes down to we would now have to create an individual variable for every single one of our text fields. This can be very cumbersome to work with and doesn't allow us to easily write loops to iterate through all of our outlets. Instead, let's make an outlet collection. So how we do that is through the same motion as before. Control, left click, and drag from our text field into our view controller. However, before typing our name, we'll change our connection type from outlet to outlet collection. Then we'll just call this text fields. Now you'll notice, instead of creating a single variable for our text field, we've actually created an array of UITextFields. So now we can just continue to add text fields to this array, and now we have a single point of reference for all of our text field outlets inside of this view. So now we can do Control, left click, and drag from our second text field right on top of our text fields variable. And we'll do the same thing for our third text field. So now we have 3 different references to our UI text fields inside of this text fields variable. So now we can very easily loop through this array instead of using individual variables, and we can, with a single line of code, fill all of our UI text fields with initial data. So how we do that is with a for in loop. So we can say for a text field in text fields. Then we can say a text field dot text equals data. And now when we actually build and run this application, we now can see that all of our data has been filled for us, and we did this with a single line of code inside of a loop. And the really nice thing about this is that it scales beautifully. So we can add another 3 or even 6 or how many ever text fields you need to fit in your view, or any other outlet connection that you need to add. Those outlets can all be put in a collection, and now you can easily loop through them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.